Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this traditional Italian, or more precisely Sicilian dish consisting of chopped, fried eggplant and other vegetables, seasoned with olive oil, tomato sauce, celery, olives and capers. How do you go about pronouncing it? In Italian it would be said as caponata. Caponata, you do want to stress on the third syllable, on the na syllable, caponata. In English it is usually said quite similarly as caponata. Caponata, pretty straightforward once you know, right? Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Caponata. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more Italian words and names of famous and delicious dishes from Italy whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.